Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to diagnosing your PC on various brands. To begin, press Start and open Settings. After this, in the System section, click on Recovery. In the Advanced Startup section, click Restart Now. You need confirm this to access Windows Advanced Startup. When this mode starts, click on Troubleshoot, next on Advanced Options, and finally click on Startup Repair. In this step, a PC diagnosis starts. Wait for this to complete. When finished, you will click on Advanced Options. After that, click on Troubleshooting again, then on Advanced Options, and now choose Command Prompt. Here, run the cd config command, hit Enter. Next, create a directory called Backup with the command md backup. Now copy the content to the directory. To do this, execute copy **** backup. After that, use the on-screen command to access that folder. List its content with dr. Then, if possible, create a backup run copy ****. Finally, run the exit command to close the console. After this, click Continue to log into the Windows. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.